about to have a contest to see who is the best shot.
It's not me.
We have Michael 1, Michael 2, and Super Shot, me. Okay, let's get our guns. What are the 4 rules of shooting a gun?
Don't put your finger on the trigger.
No. Hold it. Number 1, every gun is always loaded. Number 2, never point a gun at anything you don't want to destroy. Number 3, never put your finger on the trigger till the sights are on the target. And the most important thing, always know where your bullet's going to go. 4 things. Perfect, in the middle. Excellent. One shot apiece. Total of 5 shots each, and we'll see who gets the most red.
I'm good with that.
Okay, so Michael, you shoot 1 to begin with. Okay. Very close, almost.
Oh, nice.
Who's the king?
First point.
I'm sorry, Michael.
I think that one was a little high.
Count. Oh, yes.
I got a point. 1 point. 1 to 1.
Tie. In the middle. Now, let's take a second. It's now 2 to 1 to nothing. So, who's in the lead? I forget. Who's in the lead? Oh, wait. It's me. Oh, I think you missed. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Tied up.
It's tied up.
Oh! Tied up.
Almost.
That's all right. That's all right. So this is the part where he's my employer.
So does he make it or not? It's like, who knows? And he puts it right in the middle.
That was nice. Oh!
Oh, I
Right
missed
below.
it.
I don't know.
I think you're shooting high right now.
I think you shoot a little high. Very good. Man, you've got the...
There we go. For me.
You shot the basketball.
But I think it went through. I think I got the red thing.
You did. Yeah, that's in the target.